Hello, today I will show you an easy way to put the frame around your digital photos. As you see, this frame has soft edges around, and it's very easy to be done. So let's begin. We have this photo of this young beautiful lady. First thing we do is to make a layer, pressing Ctrl and J. Next we fill this new layer with a dark color, preferably, well, we will choose it from her hair, like this. And we fill it, this layer, with foreground color. And now all we have to do is to take our marquee tool here. We put the feather about 20 pixels, 25 I'd say, 25, and we make a frame around about there. You see, it's very easy and simple. And now we press delete and we have this beautiful frame around our photo. Control delete, and there we are. Very easy and very practical. Bye bye for now.